Hey guys, welcome back to another vlog. It's your girl Stella, and in today's vlog, it's a little bit of home care, self-care, and also just me showing you how I spent my autumn or fall. Basically how I spent my Halloween week. So here I am cleaning up the apples that the kids have. I usually like to clean up apples or fruits whenever I get them and store them in the fridge. So it's just easy for them to pick it up and eat if they don't want to wash it. So this is me cleaning up the apples I got from the store and storing them in the fridge.
So it's kind of like a bigger connect group. Like how to read the Bible.
I don't really want you falling for me, 'cause I know I'd fall for you. I'm falling for, I don't really want you falling for me, 'cause I know I'm falling for you. I'm falling for, it's too late and it's over. I feel your presence take over. Just put your head on my shoulder. Create the feelings that boil over. Consistent, never bipolar. It's hard to keep my composure. I don't really want you falling for me, 'cause I know I'd fall for you. I'm falling for, I don't really want you falling for me, 'cause I know I'm falling for you.
Hi guys, so I just popped in here to answer a few questions. So someone was asking me a question in my comment section. Some of these questions I'll answer them in the video. I don't want to like make a separate video for them. So the question was, one of the question actually was, if I traveled to the US with my husband. No, I did not travel to the US with my husband. I traveled alone, but my husband will be coming later. The plan was that I have to come alone. Help me with my phone, baby girl. The plan is that I'll be coming alone, then he would come later on. I'm a little stable now, so he has some things to do with work and business, so he will definitely come later on. I'm not planning on staying here alone, don't worry about that. But yeah, I finished making egg sauce and white rice. I had white rice in the fridge, so I just made egg sauce so the kids can have that for dinner. They've been craving rice, and I cleaned up. I want to head out, so I'll take the kids and come back, catch up with you guys later, or maybe end this vlog here. If I do end the vlog here, thank you for watching, and I hope you guys are enjoying. If you are, please give me a thumbs up.
Not really trying to
date right now. Still trying to figure my own life out. And I don't wanna love anybody else till I learn how to fall in love with myself.
Hey guys, good morning. Happy Sunday. It's another Sunday, not the Sunday you guys will be watching in the vlog or would have watched in the vlog. I don't know which of them I'll put up first, but it's another Sunday. Okay, this is the Sunday after the costume Sunday. That wasn't a that Sunday was not a Halloween celebration or anything. Churches don't celebrate Halloween. I think to the best of my knowledge, my church actually just wanted us to dress like costumes, and so the kids can just feel like the counterpart that actually celebrated Halloween. But can we say we don't celebrate Halloween? We're already here in the US and they do it, so I think we all do it somehow. Though my kids didn't wear any costume to school, the day they asked them to wear a costume because it was just my personal preference, but I put them a costume to go to church. So, anyways, it's Sunday. I'm about to make, what's it called? Let me show you guys. So here's my jasmine rice I'll be using to make, because I already pre-cooked it because I heard it is better to pre-cook your fried rice, whatever you want to use for Chinese fried rice. It's always better to pre-cook it. So I cook it a day before. So this I made yesterday and I left it in the pot. I didn't bother putting it in the fridge because the fridge here is like the fridge. The weather here is about 40 degrees. So it's already cold. So let me just keep it here, and it's cold, very cold. So I'll be using it to make my Chinese fried rice this morning. What I'm not really sure of, if I should make it before I go to church or after I go to church, I'm still contemplating. I don't know yet what I'm going to do, but I think I'm going to make it after church, because if I make it before church, I might end up being very exhausted and I might not go to church. So I'm just going to, even if I'm not doing anything, church starts, my service I want to go, which is the last service. Not the last service, I think they have another one by 6 p.m. now, which is like a new additional service for youth or people who can meet up the morning service. But my service, I just pray you guys can hear me, but my service that I like to go is the one for 11:25 or 11:20 to like 1 p.m., which is technically the last service before the evening service. Okay, we're able to do like little minimal cleaning, but I still have to like do a little cleaning up. So the house doesn't really look dirty. I'm thinking if I should sweep or not, but I think I'm gonna pass that. I'm not gonna sweep. I'll just do this cleaning, then I'll be off to church. I might show you guys like my after cooking and everything in another vlog. I'm not going to include that in this vlog because I'm going to end this vlog here. I just finished editing some parts. I'm going to add this part, then I'm going to end the vlog. So basically I'm ending this vlog here. So you guys must have watched every other thing, but this part I'm ending here. So you guys, if you watched this vlog up to this end, thank you so much for watching. I appreciate you guys for coming back, watching. Those of you that take out your time, thumbs up, like, please. If you don't, please do it. And those of you that do it, I love you so much. Thank you. I appreciate your love, your time. And yeah, I'm going to finish cleaning up here, then I will go to church and catch you guys in my next vlog. Okay, bye bye.